Next, we're going to take our steak, and we are using sirloin, and we are going to chop this into about 4-inch pieces. I'm going to clean this up a little bit first, and then we're going to make the pieces about a 1/2 inch. Square this up a little bit. So here's our flour and all the seasoning. If you want the exact recipe and ingredients, please check out the description. Here's our dredge. I'm going to put 2 eggs in. I'm going to whisk. To that, we're going to add 2 cups milk and give it a mix. Okay, here's our chopped up sirloin steak fingers, and I'm going to just give them a light dusting of salt, even though our flour is seasoned as well. Okay, here's our cast iron. We're going to add about a 1/2 inch or so of canola oil to the bottom, and we want to get that up to 375 degrees. Okay, now we have our steak fingers, our dry station and our wet station. So first we're going to go in here into the seasoned flour, and we're going to just get those dusted just like that. I'm going to try and maintain a wet hand and a dry hand. Go back. Okay, here we go. Our oil's at 375 degrees, and I'm going to lay these in. Don't overcrowd your pan, of course. You don't want your oil to have the temperature plummet. We're going to do 2 minutes on each side, and then we're going to flip them. Okay, that's 2 minutes, and we're going to flip them over. All right, that's a total of 4 minutes. We're going to take them out and let them drain, and then continue on with the second batch.
All right, so I lost my sound unfortunately, so I'm just going to talk you through it. So I'm trying one. Notice how easy it bit off. I mean, these are super tender. I didn't even tenderize, with a tenderizing hammer or anything, but anyway, turned out really good, super tender. I really suggest you give this a try, and thank you guys for watching. Like always, it's super appreciated. Take care.